Welcome to our channel, The Immigrant, Life in the United States. In today's video, we will provide you with the information to speak with a live person at USCIS. Whether you're an applicant, attorney, or representative, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Let's dive right in. To ask a question about a specific case using live assistance, you need to be one of the following: the applicant or petitioner, an attorney or accredited representative on behalf of the applicant or petitioner, a parent or legal guardian on behalf of your minor child, a legal guardian or custodian on behalf of the person under your guardianship or custody, or an individual or organization authorized to receive case-specific information. When using live assistance, be prepared for a possible wait to speak to a USCIS Contact Center representative by phone. Always try their online tools first. The USCIS Contact Center has multiple tiers of live assistance. Tier 1 representatives can resolve many inquiries without escalating to Tier 2 immigration service officers. Here's what Tier 1 can help you with: case status inquiries, requests to expedite applications, rescheduling appointments, including biometrics and interviews, addressing non-delivery of secure documents or notices, requesting special accommodations, correcting typographical errors due to USCIS mistakes, withdrawing applications or petitions, changing addresses before biometrics are scheduled, expediting biometrics appointments, military-related issues, extending travel authorizations for certain beneficiaries, and scheduling in-person appointments for document services. If your inquiry needs to be escalated to Tier 2, you might receive a response by email or a follow-up phone call. When speaking with a Tier 1 representative, you can opt in for a text notification if a Tier 2 officer needs to contact you. Some inquiries will be managed at Tier 1 and will not be escalated unless necessary. However, certain issues, like complex case inquiries and certain military-related issues, always require Tier 2 intervention. Before we continue, I want to tell you about an exciting career-building opportunity. I'll share details about our Build Your Career in America course at the end of this video. This comprehensive program is designed to help immigrants or prospective immigrants navigate the U.S. job market, from resume writing and job interviews to understanding workplace culture and professional growth. Stay tuned for more information. You can reach the USCIS Contact Center toll-free at 800-375-5283, or if you're outside the U.S., call 212-620-3418. Their hours are Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. For cases related to Hawaii, T, or U visas, including Form 1751 abuse waivers, the USCIS Contact Center will verify your identity before providing any information. Before calling, make sure to have your receipt notices for the forms you're inquiring about and a copy of the pending or approved application or petition for reference. Protected individuals can also send a secure message from their USCIS online account, and USCIS will call back to complete the identity verification process. If the contact center cannot provide the information or make the requested changes, you may be scheduled for an in-person appointment at a USCIS field office. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable information on navigating the U.S. immigration process. And now, as promised, here's the Build Your Career in America course. This course is packed with detailed modules on job search strategies, networking, career preparation, and more. It's the perfect guide to help you succeed in your American career. Make a head start in building your career path to the United States and invest in yourself.
Are you an immigrant or a prospective immigrant in the United States? Navigating a new country can be challenging, but with the proper guidance, you can build a successful and fulfilling career and achieve your dreams. Introducing our comprehensive online course designed specifically for immigrants or people looking to grow professionally like you. Build Your Career in America. Our course covers everything you need to know to thrive in the U.S. job market and beyond. Our course includes 8 detailed modules. Module 1, Job Search Strategies. Module 2, Resume and Cover Letter Writing. Module 3, Preparing for Job Interviews. Module 4, Professional Licensing and Certification Module. 5, Workplace Culture and Communication Module. 6, Career Advancement and Professional Growth module. 7. Financial Planning and Stability module. 8. Mental and Emotional Wellness. Build Your Career in America is a course designed to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Whether you're just starting or looking to advance your career, our course is here to support you every step of the way. Don't wait any longer. Take the first step towards a brighter future in the United States. Send an email to the.immigrant.1969@gmail.com to enroll today. Your success story begins here. Build your career in America. Empowering you for a brighter future. Enroll now.